Hello everyone and welcome to Credit Finance. In today's video, I bring you an update regarding Social Security payment schedule, what dates to watch out for, and also we are going to tell you about State Stimulus Check 2023, what to know about payments coming this year, and of course all the information is available in this video. We are also going to tell you massive developments about Stimulus Check. A few states still have 2023 payments on their schedule. So watch this important video till the end. We have complete details about it. So make sure you guys stay until the end of this video. Now before we get started, if you are interested in the latest news regarding stimulus check, child tax credit, PEBT, SNAP and everything in between. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. So let's start with the Social Security payment schedule and what dates to watch it. All eyes are on the first Social Security payments of 2023, in which the record-breaking cost of living adjustment COLA will start to be reflected in the checks of 66 million beneficiaries. The new payments amount in 2023 will reflect an increase 8.7%, which is the highest adjustment the Social Security Administration has offered since 1981 and is the fourth biggest COLA in the history of the program. That will equate to an extra $146 per check on average, says AARP. While supplemental security income recipients will receive their first check on December 30th, since SSI checks go out on the first month of the first, but that is the holiday and weekend day in 2023. The payment schedule for general Social Security recipients are still on Wednesday, depending on birth date. As we are previously mentioned, that condense is as follows. For birthday that fall on the 1st through the 10th, recipients are paid on the second Wednesday of each month. Your birthday that fall on 11th through the 20th, recipients are paid on the third Wednesday of each month. For birthdays that fall on the 21st through the 31st, recipients are paid on the fourth Wednesday of each month. Now we are giving these guidelines. Here is the full payment schedule for Social Security in 2023. So open up that new calendar and mark these dates. In January, your payments will issued on January 11th, 3rd Wednesday January 18th and 4th Wednesday of January 25th. Now in February 2023, payments dates are 2nd Wednesday of February 8th, 3rd Wednesday of February 15th and 4th Wednesday of February 2020. Now in March 2023, payments are issued on March 8, 2nd Wednesday on 3rd Wednesday of March 15 and 4th Wednesday of March 2022. Now we have April 2023 payment schedule. The first payment will issue on 2nd Wednesday, April 12th, 3rd Wednesday, April 19th and 4th Wednesday, April 26th. In 2023, May payments will issued on 2nd Wednesday, May 10th, 3rd Wednesday, May 17, 4th Wednesday, May 24. In June 2023, payments will issued on 2nd Wednesday, June 14, 3rd Wednesday, June 21, 4th Wednesday, June 28. Now in July 2023, payment schedule is 2nd Wednesday, July 12, 3rd Wednesday, July 19, 4th Wednesday, July 26. In August 2023, payments will issue 2nd Wednesday of August 9, 3rd Wednesday, August 16, 4th Wednesday, August 23 and September 2023 payments are scheduled on 2nd Wednesday, September 13th, 3rd Wednesday, September 20 and 4th Wednesday of September 27. In October 2023, payment schedules are 2nd Wednesday, October 11, 3rd Wednesday, October 18, 4th Wednesday is October 25. November 2023 payment schedules are 2nd Wednesday, November 8, 3rd Wednesday, November 15th, 4th Wednesday, November 2020. December 2023 payments are scheduled on 2nd Wednesday, December 13, 3rd Wednesday of December 20, 4th Wednesday, December 27. So right here, we would like to ask you a very important question. If you receive any of these benefits, then Do you support a $200 monthly fixed rise in your benefit? Yes, do you support fixed rise in your benefit rise until this inflation ends in your benefit? Let us know in the comments below. What do you think about it and what is your opinion about it? Now it's time to give you a very important update about State Stimulus Check 2023. In March 2020, the American economy went into the fall shutdown mode in response to the coronavirus pandemic. Nearly immediately, the US government implemented a series of stimulus packages in an effort to support business and consumer. Although the federal payments have long since run out, some states, which were later to the game, are still in the process of distributing aid. While many programs are ended in 2022, a few states still have 2023 payments on their schedule. Here's a quick look at the states that still have payments coming this year. Number 1 is California. California authorized inflation relief checks of up to $150 in 2020 and most payments have already been distributed. However, the state estimates that about 5% of checks would not go out until January 15, 2023. Rebate amounts start at $350 and are based on combination of income, household size and tax filing status. Singles earning $250,000 more than couples earning at least $500,000 are ineligible. Next is Colorado. Colorado state residents who filed their 2021 taxes on time, mostly like already, receive payments of $750 for singles and $1,500 for joint filers by September 30th. However, those who filed an extension by the October 17 deadline may still awaiting their payments, which is slated to arrive no later January 31st. Ohio approved 2022 special session rebates that will be paid out by the end of March 2023. The amount of the rebate is the greater of 100% of a taxpayer 2020 income tax liability, $300 for singles filers or $600 for joint filer. The State Tax Commission anticipates sending about 800,000 payments totaling as much as 500 million. New Jersey is sending out $2 billion in property tax rebates to 2 million of its residents. The amount of the rebates is income based, with homeowners earning up to $150,000 qualifying for $1,500 and those earning $150,000 to $250,000 receiving $1,000. Renters are also entitled to $450 as long as they earn no more than $150,000. Payments are slated to arrive no later than May 2023. Now in Pennsylvania began sending out payments to older renters, homeowners and people with disabilities in July 2020. But the deadlines of filing as a claim was December 31st, 2022. This means that payments will spill over into 2023 as well for qualifying residents who get their paperwork in before the deadline. The maximum standard rebate is $650, but those who qualify for supplemental rebates as calculated by the state may receive as much as $975. Last one is South Carolina. South Carolina began issuing refund checks for up to $800 to qualifying residents in November 2022. Those who filed their tax return before the October 17 deadline received their payments before the end of 2022, but those who filed after the October 17 deadline but before Feb 15, 2023 will receive their payments in March 2023. So that's all the update that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.